Things to know before getting a parrot. Get a comfortable cage for your bird according to its type and size because they spend most of their time in the cage. Feed your parrot at least twice a day according to the size, age and type of your bird, and also give them cuttlefish bone, green leaf vegetables and essential along with their regular seed mix. Try not to leave your parrot home alone, or get it a partner to play with, and also provide it with some toys so it is not bored, because a parrot is as smart as a toddler. Parrots are very clean bird. They often clean themselves and also love to bath. Never take your bird out of its cage before getting tame.